So for number 2, the first thing we need to do is make the equation equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 11 from both sides of the equation. That will give us 4x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Now we know our a is 4, our b is negative 2, and the c is 2. And we know x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we substitute negative, and b is negative 2, so that becomes plus a positive 2. Plus or minus the square root of b squared would be negative 2 squared, so negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. Minus 4 times a is 4 times c is 2 all over 2 times a is 4. So now we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is 32 all over 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 32 is negative 28 all over 8. Now there is a perfect square that goes into negative 28. 2 plus or minus 4 goes into 28, and it goes in 7 times, and don't forget about that negative 1 all over 8. So we now have 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of negative 1 is I, and I don't know the square root of 7, so I keep it, all over 8. Now we simplify. 2 goes into 2 once, into 2 once, and into 8 4 times. So x equals 1 plus or minus 1i radical 7 all over 4. And there's the answer to number 2, guys.